What if I told you spicing up your marriage doesn't require grand gestures or expensive trips? Just a little creativity and a lot of love. In today's video, I'll reveal 7 fun, faith-centered ways to bring back that excitement. Stick around and I guarantee you'll find something that will make your spouse smile tonight. Marriage is a beautiful journey, but sometimes life gets busy, routines set in, and things can get, well, a little stale. But no worries, you can always bring back that fire and passion into your marriage with this simple yet powerful 7 faith-based principle that I'm about to share with you. It will help you reconnect with your partner and fall in love all over again. So grab your spouse, get cuddled up, and let's get into it. Before you roll up your eyes and say it's not about material things, hang on, hear me out first. Gift giving isn't just about the stuff, it's about the thoughtfulness. The Bible tells us that it's more blessed to give than to receive, and that applies to marriage too. Gift shows your partner that you're thinking of them even when they are not around. It could be something small like their favorite snack or something they've been eyeing for a while. It doesn't have to be something extravagant. It's the thought that counts. It is a simple everyday reminder that you care. And guess what? Oh, that thoughtfulness, it sparks love. Think of a small but meaningful gift that you can give your partner this week and watch the smiles come back. Imagine coming home to a candlelit dinner your husband prepared, or waking up to find your wife planned a spontaneous weekend getaway. Surprises remind your partner that marriage doesn't have to be predictable. Jesus said he came to give us life more abundantly. Let's leave that in our marriages by sprinkling in some fun and surprises. It doesn't have to break the bank. Maybe it's leaving a love note in their car or booking a surprise movie date night. What's one surprise that you can plan for your spouse this month? You know what really keeps couples close? Doing things together. Life is busy, but setting aside time to do the simple things with each other strengthens your bond. Whether it's cooking dinner together, watching your favorite movie, or taking a stroll in the neighborhood hand in hand, these moments bring you back to the heart of your relationship. And let's not forget the spiritual aspect. Ecclesiastes 4:9 reminds us that 2 are better than 1. When you do life together, whether in chores or leisure, you're living out these truths, supporting and growing closer to one another. Commit to doing something simple together each day, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Here's a fun one. Play. Yes, you heard me. Playfulness is key. We often think pranks are for kids, but in marriage, a little light-hearted teasing can go a long way. Now, I'm not talking about anything hurtful or embarrassing, but good-natured pranks that can make you both laugh. Laughter is a gift from God, and it bonds you two together in such a sweet way. Proverbs 17:22 says, "A cheerful heart is a good medicine, and nothing heals tension or stress faster than laughter." Maybe it's hiding a funny note in their wallet or pulling a harmless joke on them when they least expect it. The point is to inject joy in your relationship. Plan a playful moment with your spouse this week and see how much fun you will have. Ladies, this one is for us. We often hear about husbands spoiling their wives. How about the other way around? Wives, it is okay to spend on your husbands. Spoil them a little, buy them something they've been wanting, treat them to their favorite meal, or surprise them with something unexpected. Remember, we are in this to serve one another. Ephesians 5 talks about submitting to one another out of reverence for Christ. Sometimes that submission looks like prioritizing your partner's needs, even when it's not convenient. It's about showing them love in ways they don't always expect, but deeply appreciate. So go ahead, spend on your man. You'll be surprised how much it will mean to him. Wives, think of a special way you can spend on your husband this month, whether it is time, gift, or acts of service. This is a big one, and honestly, it is the most important thing you can do for your marriage. Pray together. As a couple, when you invite God into your relationship, it changes everything. Praying together brings you closer, not just to one another, but to God. Matthew chapter 18 verse 20 tells us that where 2 or more are gathered, there God is. So gather with your spouse in prayer. Whether you're praying for your marriage, for your family, or just giving thanks for each other, the power of prayer is unmatched. Make a commitment to pray with your spouse daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Finally, the best way to spice up your marriage is being each other's biggest fan. Encourage them, cheer them on, believe in them even when they don't believe in themselves. Hebrews 10:24 tells us to spur one another on toward love and good deeds. In marriage, that means supporting your partner's dreams and ambitions, standing by their side when things get tough, and celebrating their victories, big or small. Life can be hard, and your partner needs to know that you're in their corner rooting for them. Trust me, that kind of love is magnetic. Tell your spouse today, I believe in you. Be their biggest cheerleader and watch your connection grow deeper. These powerful 7 simple faith-based ways I just shared with you, when done right, will spice up your marriage. Marriage is a journey, and it is the little things you do every day that keeps the fire alive. Which of these tips resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other couples who might need a little inspiration too. You know I always love to share the word of God with you. So this week, I'm leaving you with the scriptures in 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 7. The NIV says, love always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. This verse reminds us that love is not passive, but active. It requires continuous effort, protection, trust, hope, and perseverance. It aligns with the idea of consistently nurturing and investing in your marriage to keep it vibrant and alive. Thanks for watching, and may God bless your marriage with love, laughter, and endless joy.